I am profoundly honored to get the opportunity today to welcome Mr. Chandrakumar, CEO, WiselyWise Singapore. I wholeheartedly welcome all the dignitaries from various disciplines. We heartily welcome our block educational officer, Mrs. Muthulakshmi ma'am, for her gracious presence today. I feel great proud to say that our children have completed 2 or more courses in artificial intelligence and received their certificates. We are much grateful to you, sir.
As I said, your school has decided to invest their time and effort. Maybe we gave some free courses, maybe some were paid courses. All of that is aside. That school teachers have spent the time, the effort to learn it at their age and put the effort to understand the complicated technology. That is, for that itself, I will clap for them. I think you should clap for your teachers. For me, it's one of my happiest moments in my life to see so much of brightness, the future of the country in very safe hands. And all the very best to you, whatever you choose in your life. Always remember that we are all behind you, will help you in whatever way you want. Okay? Thank you so much.
We have a smart TV, so I connected this smart TV with my system, so I can take classes, I can record classes also. Daily I am recording the classes, daily I am share it in groups, so that the children with special needs, they cannot come to school, so they are also watching the classes daily without any fee. So that is the main thing. So this is our lesson. It makes the children to interact with whatever object they like. So they are doing it with more interest and they get a real experience and interest.
Now I am going to bring dinosaur in this slide. Here I finish as the butterfly. Shall we go to quick draw about artificial intelligence? Brain, sense, knowledge, insight, awareness, self-aware, assume, ability, reason. Factories, warehouse, service hotel, circuit monitoring.
I study about teachable vision also. Machine learning is the part of AI. I have studied that also.
I learned from artificial intelligence class. This is augmented reality. Thank you, sir, for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.